It is
Yes.
cold out there,
Yeah.
but quiet right now.
Yeah.
Then weather alert kicks in later on.
Exactly, yeah. The storm's moving in here later tonight. So if you have anything that you have to get done today,
Right.
I think you're going to be okay. If you're taking part in any Black Friday shopping, you're going to be okay. The roads are looking okay right now. But yeah, snow is on the way here tonight. It's going to increase here as we get past sunset and then continue through most of your Saturday. Likely snow on the ground as you wake up tomorrow morning. May not be a lot of snow, but that snow will continue to fall throughout the day. Heavy at times throughout the morning into the afternoon, so that is going to lead to some pretty difficult travel conditions. Of course, the road crews are going to be out there doing work, but with the snow coming down all day, it's still going to pile up on the roadways no matter what's going on. That snow will linger into the overnight hours. It doesn't really taper off until sometime after about 10 o'clock or midnight tomorrow night, with snow totals on the order of 6 to 12 inches here across the state. We'll show you a little more detailed look at that here in just a second. Yeah, travel conditions are going to be very, very difficult here for your Saturday, even into Sunday. Snow's not falling on Sunday, but we could have a little blowing snow here and there, and certainly with all the snow on the ground, the plows are still going to be out, and it's going to be a lot of work to kind of clean up from this storm system. So here's how it all plays out right now. It's clear, it's cold, it's quiet though. We'll see clouds increasing here throughout the morning hours. I do think we start the day with a little sunshine, but by noon the clouds have filled in. You can see some light snow showers trying to sneak in from Nebraska. These aren't really going to be causing any problems at noon, even through about 3 o'clock. Anything that you see here off to the west is going to be on the light side and not really causing any travel disruptions. But as we get closer to sunset, that snow increases. You start to see more of those dark blue colors. So that snow is now coming down a little bit heavier, and it's pushing into the metro 6 to about 8 o'clock here tonight. And once that snow arrives, you can see it's still going there at 11 o'clock. It continues for most of the overnight. Not as heavy in far southwest Iowa. That's the one place that may not see as much snow, but you see the rest of the state dealing with snow for most of the overnight hours. And then throughout the day tomorrow, that snow continues on and off, heavy at times. Maybe a little bit of a mix here in southwest Iowa. That's why some of your snow totals will be a little bit lower there for the southwest corner of the state. The rest of us dealing with that snow all day long. Here we are 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. That snow is still coming down. Still light snow at 10 o'clock tomorrow night. And then finally this storm system pulls on out of the area. So it is a kind of a long-lived event, and that's going to allow that snow to really pile up across the state. A lot of colors here, but we are talking most of the state at least 2 to 4 inches, if not somewhere on the order of 6 to 10, maybe 12 inches of snow here across central Iowa. So this is going to be a fairly significant snow event. You can see this path here. Fort Dodge, Ames, north side of the metro over toward Iowa City, the Quad Cities. That's where we're talking the potential for 10 to 12 inches of snow. Would not be surprised to see a couple of 13 or 14s pop up in there. And then most of central and Iowa, 8 to 10 inches of snow, tapering off as you get down toward Osceola, Lamoni, and then the southwest corner of the state with that bit of a wintry mix. You'll see some lower snow totals, but accumulating snow for everybody as this system pushes on through. Thankfully, it's quiet right now. It's just cold. 18 degrees. Wind chills 11, 15 in Fort Dodge, 16 in Algona with a wind chill of 9. So you're going to need that jacket all day. We're going to be cold out there. A little sunshine this morning. The clouds increasing through the afternoon. Highs today only top out around 30 degrees. You can see that snow chance increasing by about 6 o'clock here this evening. Snow pretty much all day tomorrow. A high of about 30, 31. So not going to see any melting there. And then very cold once the system moves out. 20 on Sunday, 19 on Monday with a morning low of 6. So yeah, the snow is going to be sticking around for a while.
And so is that cold. It's 4:50.